scalar quantity. Any doubt till there? And any question regarding speed, velocity, scalar vector? Okay. May I ask few questions then? Fine. Okay, who is going to tell me that out of speed and velocity, which is the scalar quantity? Out of speed and velocity, which is scalar? Yes, Aditya.
No, ma'am, I wanted to ask that what is velocity?
Okay, you're not there in the previous class?
No, ma'am.
Oh.
Don't think.
No problem. I'll be asking the questions from others. You can just listen and you will get that. Okay? Fine. Hanji Arushi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. All good?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, speed is a scalar quantity because it does not specify any direction.
It has?
Ma'am, speed is a scalar quantity because it does not specify direction.
Okay, good. Okay, the next question is, what do you mean by the vector quantity? What do you mean by vector quantity? Anji Vinayak ji.
Ma'am, vector quantity is a quantity with magnitude and direction.
Very good. The quantity which is going to have magnitude as well as direction is your vector quantity. Okay, children, asking once again, any question from speed, velocity, scalar vector, even the topic which we have done before that, that is distance displacement. Any question? You can please raise your hand. Meanwhile, I'm going to share the screen. Kindly switch on the camera, Arushi, Aditya Chauhan, Avni, and Sukhvinder Singh. You all are requested to kindly switch on your camera. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you all. Okay, let me just share the screen. Yes, one student asked about the concept. So let's do a little recap. Aditya, this is for you, okay? And one more thing, that you are having these videos uploaded on the next day on the Facebook. If you missed out any of the class, next day the video will be there on the Facebook. Fine? So must check that, beta. That I have uploaded your chapter 8 on the Facebook. Fine. Those students who are not having the book yet, you're facing some problem, you're not having the book, so you can please click on the link and you can have your complete chapter. Fine. Chapter 8 motion complete I have uploaded, so you can take help from there also if you're facing any problem. Still, if there exists any problem, don't worry. My number is with each one of you. Please send the message as per your need. Okay. So we have done two things yesterday, Hanji, in the previous class. One is speed and the second is velocity. Fine. When we go from a point to another point, if we follow any curved path, we take some distance to go, we take some time. Fine. So we will say distance per unit time is what? That is your speed. So speed क्या है? कितना आपने distance लिया और कितना आपने time लिया to cover that distance. Fine. But if the path is going to be straight, तो हम distance को किससे replace करते थे? We replace distance with displacement. Fine. And in this straight path, your speed is considered as your velocity. Fine. When you have a straight path, that time your speed will be replaced with velocity. That time you say that what the distance you have covered, what the time you have covered, you say velocity. Okay. Now, then we have done the concept which is scalar, which is vector. For that, any quantity which can be expressed easily just by telling the magnitude. Like I asked the question, that is the speed scalar or vector? So you will say that speed is a scalar because we are able to express it just by having its magnitude. Fine. Or you can say speed is the scalar because it can be having magnitude only, no particular direction. So both are correct. You can write it in your own way. Fine. Or what the girl said, the one I guess Arushi आपने बोला था? Yeah, that is also correct. Okay. So scalar quantity क्या है? वो quantity जिसको express करने के लिए आपको direction की जरूरत नहीं है. It's only the magnitude which you require. अब magnitude होता क्या है? Magnitude is a number and a unit. Like I write 7 kilometer. अगर मैं आदित्य से पूछूं that आदित्य for how long you walk in the morning? Fine. He said madam 7. तो 7 कुछ भी हो सकता है. It can be 7 meter. It can be 7 inches. It can be 7 kilometer also. Yes. So अकेला 7 बोलना it doesn't make any sense. आपको नंबर भी बताना होता है और साथ में यूनिट भी बताना होता है. This is what we call it as magnitude. Fine. Like मैंने एग्जांपल दी थी ना, you are going to the market, भैया के पास जा रहे हो, चावल चाहिए, you need rice. You are saying भैया मुझे 2 राइस दे दो और मुझे 3 राइस दे दो. So what भैया will give? Bhaiya will be confused here. क्या चाहिए? Fine. So you have to tell what it the exact you want. 3 kg, 3 gram, all that. So there has to be a number, there has to be a unit. इसको हम बोलते हैं magnitude. अब जो quantities में आपको सिर्फ magnitude बताना होता है, we call them as scalar quantities. For example, mass. For example, distance. I ask you that what is the distance from your home to school? You say it is 12 kilometers. Is the answer complete? Obviously, yes. I asked you what is the distance. You say koi bolega ma'am 12 kilometers, koi bolega ma'am it is 15 kilometers. So that's it. That is the distance. There is no need to specify the direction along with. So distance कौन सी quantity है? आपने सिर्फ magnitude बताया. So it is a scalar quantity. There is no need of direction into it. Talking about mass. You go to the shopkeeper and you say, I need 2 kg cucumber. Fine. तो आपने क्या बोला? आपको कितना चाहिए? 2 kg. You have only talk about the magnitude. क्या आप सब्जी लेते टाइम डायरेक्शन बताते हो? I need 2 kg cucumber west direction. और फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन, बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन, ऐसा कुछ नहीं आता ना. सो you just talk about the magnitude and it's okay. So all those quantities where there is only magnitude needed to express them, they are the scalar. और कुछ ऐसी quantities हैं जहां पे magnitude के साथ साथ डायरेक्शन भी required होती है. We call those quantities as vector quantities. For example, velocity. हमने अभी क्या किया? What is velocity? Speed in one particular direction. So if you say velocity, you will say 5 kilometer in forward direction, 5 kilometer in west direction. Like there is a particular direction along with it. Fine. So that quantity is your vector quantity. हाँ जी आदित्य जी, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ क्या क्लियर हुआ?
Ma'am, we have done vector quantity and scalar quantity.
Okay, what is a vector quantity?
Ma'am, vector quantity is a quantity where we need magnitude and distance.
Direction.
Yes, ma'am. Direction.
ठीक है, magnitude and direction. Okay. चलिए, let's move on with the next concept for today. Today we are going to talk about acceleration. So write down acceleration. So what is acceleration? Let's write down the definition first of all. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. What is acceleration? It is the rate of change of velocity. Fine. Okay. Now what it means? Let's say you are at a point. Let's say this is a straight path क्योंकि velocity की बात हो रही है. Fine. You are at a point A and here you have velocity of 20 kilometer per hour. Fine. Then you keep moving in the straight path and you feel that the path is totally clear. There is nothing in front of you. Kindly, this is a request that don't try to draw it. Please understand it first. Drawing you can do later on. Please understand it first. Okay. So you are at a point where the velocity is 20 kilometer per hour. Then the path in front of you is totally clear. So you will definitely speed up. You will give race. Okay, path clear hai, there is nothing in front of you, so you are going to speed up. And at point B, your speed is now, आपने speed increase कर दी, now it is 50 kilometer per hour. Path clear था, so when you reach to point B, you see that the speed is 50. और 20 से 50 तक आने के लिए you have taken 5 seconds to reach from 20 to 50. Fine. Then the time you reach to point B, there is a huge traffic. Huge traffic. So obviously you will slow down. So when you reach to C, you check the velocity. It is 10 kilometer per hour. आपने speed down करी, मतलब brake apply करी, and you slow down the speed to 10. और 50 से 10 तक आने में आपको कितना टाइम लगा? You have taken 2 seconds to go from 50 to 10. And after that, there is a continuous traffic. उसके बाद भी there is a huge traffic. So you keep on moving, but you keep on moving with a velocity of 10 kilometer per hour only. आप मतलब उसी स्पीड के साथ, उसी वेलोसिटी के साथ आगे आगे मूव करते गए. पॉइंट क्लियर हुआ? So from A to B, there is less traffic. Fine. B to C, huge traffic. And C to D, again there is huge traffic. So आपने ना तो velocity decrease करी ना increase करी. You keep on going with 10 only. Fine. Okay, now here comes your acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is a rate. Rate means कितने time में change of velocity, कितना velocity change हुआ. what is the change in velocity and how much rate. Rate means how much time you have taken to bring that change in velocity. कितना velocity में change आया and how much time you took to bring that change. That is your acceleration. Now look here, you go from A to B, fine. First, see, it is a straight path, so we will talk about velocity. So you go from A to B. At A the velocity is 20, at B the velocity is 50. So is there any change in velocity? Yes, obviously 20 से 50 तक change हुआ. Okay, and you have taken some time also to bring this change. So here comes your acceleration. Got it? We call this term as acceleration. You do some change in the velocity, you take some time to bring that change, that is your acceleration. Now from B to C, velocity is 50. There is a huge traffic, so you decrease the velocity, it reaches to 10. Is there any change in the velocity from B to C? Obviously yes. First में increase हुआ था, यहाँ पे decrease हुआ, but there is a change. Whether it is the positive or the negative, it is increasing or decreasing, but there is a change. Fine. So, and you have taken some time also to bring that change. So here comes your acceleration. Now look at the point third, C to D. Okay, I'm going to ask the question from Churchill. Yes, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sarchit. All good? Okay.
Ma'am, yes.
Hanji Sarchit, the question is from C to D. What is the velocity at C, beta?
That is 10 kilometer per hour.
10. What is the velocity at D?
Ma'am, it is the same 10 kilometer per
It is
hour.
the same 10. Very good. So, Charchit, is there any acceleration in this case?
Ma'am, no, there is no change.
There is? Okay.
No change in the velocity.
Yes, very good. So from C to D, at C there is 10 km per hour velocity. D पे भी 10 velocity है, तो velocity में change नहीं हुआ. There is no change in the velocity. Acceleration is what? That is the rate of change of velocity. So please stress onto this word. Change. There has to be a change in velocity, only then there exists the acceleration. Fine. So from C to D, there is no change, so there is no acceleration in this case. Is I clear with this? From C to D, there is no change in the velocity, so there exists zero acceleration. Okay, now let's understand it more better. I hope it is clear till here. हाँ जी आरुषि.
Ma'am, can we say that from point C to point B uniformly accelerated?
Arushi, I'm not able to get you. दोबारा बोलो.
Ma'am, can we say that from point C to D uniformly accelerated?
Uniform acceleration.
Yes, ma'am.
Uniform कैसे होगा? Uniform तब होगा. Okay, listen. Okay, thank you for this. Uniform तब होगा, like at A, your velocity is, let's say, 10 meter per second. किलोमीटर पर आवर लिख लो, चाहे मीटर पर सेकंड लिख लो, फाइन. ओके. बी पे आपकी वेलोसिटी हुई 30 मीटर पर सेकंड. सो आरुषि, कितना वेलोसिटी में चेंज आया?
Ma'am, 20 meter per second.
20 का. ओके. अब सी पे वेलोसिटी है आपकी, लाइक देयर इज, लेट्स से, नो ट्रैफिक. ओके, नॉर्मल चल रहा है, देयर इज नो ट्रैफिक. सो from A to B, you bring a change of 20. then there is the same kind of traffic, कुछ ज्यादा increase decrease नहीं है. So you go from 30 to 50. कितना चेंज हुआ आरुषि B से C तक?
20 meter per second.
20. देखो A से B तक भी 20 था, B से C भी 20 है. Now let's say again you have from 50 you reach to 70. आरुषि अब कितना चेंज हुआ?
Same 20 meter per second.
Yes. So this is what you can say uniformity. Uniformity मतलब देखो acceleration होनी चाहिए. You are saying कि हमने वो C से D तक किया था 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर से 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर. There exists zero acceleration. Why it is zero there? क्योंकि acceleration means there has to be a change in velocity. तो change तो चाहिए. Fine. Now you talk about uniform acceleration. Uniform means acceleration होगी, velocity में change होगा, but uniform. Uniform मतलब equal. यहाँ पे भी 20 का level increase हुआ, यहाँ पे भी 20 level increase हुआ. Here also there is an increase of 20 meter per second. Fine. So if there is the same kind of acceleration variation going on, we say this is uniform. Got it?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And let's say अभी यहाँ पे 70 की जगह पे आ जाता let's say 60 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो यहाँ पे कितना चेंज हुआ? 20 की जगह पे यहाँ पे कितना चेंज हुआ? 10. So this type of acceleration is called as non-uniform. Non-uniform means it is not equal at every point. Uniform का मतलब समझ में आता है ना? What is uniform? Uniform means uniformity. Uniformity means equality. Understood? So like you people are wearing uniform, है ना? Uniform means that there is nothing like उसका dress ऐसा है, उसका dress वैसा है. There is nothing. All are equal. Akash ji, you are attending the class. Kindly sit. Akash Verma. हाँ जी बच्चा.
Ma'am, actually, I have a doubt. Ma'am, you explained about how we find about the change in velocity. Ma'am, if suppose it is the same, but in the initial speed is more and the final speed is less. So the when we take the change of velocity, we'll get the answer in negative. Ma'am, so how we will find out then? Because according to my information,
we are just going to move to that point. Just wait for 2 seconds. We are going to move to that point only. Okay. Okay. Auntie, I want to see Akash. Akash, thank you so much. Kindly have your notebook along with you. Akash ji, you have to sit on a chair table. Have your notebook in front of you. You're not going to study while you're on the bed. Please. Akash, I hope I'm clear with my words. Okay. So what we have done is the introduction to acceleration. Fine. Acceleration kya tha? That is the change in velocity. So let's write the formula of acceleration. Acceleration is equal to, अच्छा change in velocity को कैसे लिखेंगे? Your eyes onto the screen please. Angad, stop doing this. Angad ji, Concentrate here. Don't do this. Okay, so let's say you are standing at a point. Okay, talk to Khushkaran. Hanji Khushkaran, unmute beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, Khushkaran, you are going for a walk. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
you started from a point where it is written 4 kilometer, and after some time you reach to a point where it is written 6 kilometer. So Angad, how much you walked?
Ma'am, 2 kilometer.
Very good, very good. So how you get that? Can you tell everybody 2 kilometer kaise aaya?
Ma'am, by subtracting final point from the initial point.
Yes,
Ma'am, V
very
minus
good.
U.
Very well
V
done.
minus U.
Very well done. From where we started, we call it as initial position. Yes, everyone? Okay. And where we reach, we call it as final position. तो जब भी हमने वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है, it's not that you start from 4 and you reach to 6, so you have covered 6 kilometer. नहीं, because you have not started from 0, you started from 4. Fine. So how much you covered? How you get that? Where you reach minus where you started. That is 6 minus 4. That is 2 kilometer. Fine. Similarly, if somebody says that change in velocity, जैसे acceleration में हमने करना है change in velocity. So starting में velocity है 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर, final velocity है 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो कितना चेंज आया? कैसे फाइंड करोगे? Final minus initial. Is this? Okay. So write down the formula of acceleration. Acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken. What is the velocity at the last minus what is the velocity in the beginning divided by time? Is it? Okay. So we can write it in the short form. Acceleration will be written by small a. Kindly write it. If you write capital A, that is area. That is not acceleration, है ना? Area को कैसे लिखते हैं? We write with capital A. So if you write capital A, there will be a big cross. Fine. So acceleration by small a, final velocity by small v minus initial velocity by small u, time by small t. So all letters small case. So these are the symbols for final velocity. For see, we write velocity with v. If it is just the simple velocity, we write with v. But where there comes two velocities, initial and final, initial written by u, final written by v. So formula of acceleration is v minus u over t. Okay, now next is the unit. How you can write the unit? Acceleration का unit find करना है. So acceleration का unit होता है meter per second square. You can learn it, or I'm going to do it onto the screen कि ये आया कैसे. Fine. So your eyes onto the screen. Acceleration is change in velocity over time. In the numerator there is velocity. Velocity का unit क्या था? Meter per second. और नीचे है time. Time का unit क्या है? Second. है ना? So meter per second को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, और नीचे एक second और है. That is the for time. So what it is? Meter per second square. So this is the unit for acceleration. Kindly write it down. So formula for acceleration is change in velocity over time, final velocity minus initial velocity over time, that is v minus u over t, and the unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Hanji Rishita, is I'm clear beta? Okay, God bless you. Chalo. Now we have the two types of acceleration. So now Nia, I'm going to reach to the point which you asked, okay? Okay. So we have acceleration of two types. One we call it as positive acceleration. Second, we call it as negative acceleration. One is positive acceleration, one is negative acceleration. Negative acceleration ke aage na, I'm going to write few more names which we have for negative acceleration. So you can please write it down. Or kya bolte hain. I'm going to tell you what is positive, what is negative. Okay. First, write the different names for negative acceleration. We called it as deceleration. Like if there is no negative acceleration, they say find the deceleration. So don't be ki ye to madam ne karwaya hi nahi. Ye to aata hi nahi hai na. It is negative acceleration. Okay. Negative acceleration is also called as retardation. Retardation. Somehow it is also called as deceleration. Fine. Like deceleration, we call it as deceleration, or retardation, or negative acceleration. One is the same thing. Fine. So now let's talk about what is negative or what is positive acceleration. Okay. Please write down positive acceleration. The acceleration in which final velocity is greater than the initial velocity. The acceleration in which final velocity is greater than the initial velocity. Parampreet Singh, Sukhvinder Singh. Okay, negative acceleration. The acceleration in which final velocity is smaller than the initial velocity. Okay, now let's understand this. ये आपका point था. You go from point A to point B. Fine. First you have your velocity 10 meter per second. आगे ट्रैफिक नहीं था. You increase the speed. You reach to 30 meter per second. Now here you increased. Fine. You speed up. Final value is greater than the initial value. Is this point clear? So this is your positive acceleration. यहाँ पे आप next point लिख लो. Final value is greater than the initial value. Got it? Final velocity is greater than the initial velocity. Now the second thing is, let's say it is not this 10 and 30. Like आप जा रहे हो, you reach to 30 and after that there is a traffic. Fine. You move from point B to point C. आपकी velocity है 30 meter per second. Now there is a huge traffic. You speed down. You apply brake and you reach to 20 meter per second. So there is a decrease. Final velocity is smaller than the initial velocity. Got it? Final value कम हुई है क्योंकि you apply brake. So final is smaller than the initial. Last में एक और चीज याद रखना इसको, that positive acceleration कब होगा? When you speed up. You can say when you give race, अभी increase होगा velocity. And negative acceleration when you apply brake, when you speed down, slow down the speed, you can write slow down speed. That is your negative acceleration. Nia, I guess your question is clear now. Please unmute.
Ma'am, it is half done because my question was related to the negative sign.
Okay, so what
Ma'am,
is the
like
question?
50 and 20, the difference would be 10 minus 10. Ma'am, so I'm asking them where would that minus go?
तो that minus has to be there. उसी का मतलब तो negative हुआ ना. Got it? So see, the formula is what? A is equal to V minus U over T. Fine. ये half clear होगा when we do the numerical, but I am going to do it here. Wait. Okay. So in this case, it is negative acceleration. What is the final velocity? 20 minus. What is the initial? Rishita, wait, I am coming to you. What is the initial velocity? 30. Divide by time. Let's say you have taken 10 seconds. Fine. So 20 minus 30 is what? Minus 10. Divide by time is 10. So your acceleration is what? Minus. Minus 1 meter per second square. देखो acceleration है 1 meter per second square. This minus which is in front of it, this means it is negative acceleration. वो माइनस कहीं नहीं जाएगा. That minus is telling you that this is the negative acceleration. Fine. So it can be that wherever you have this negative sign ना, minus का sign आएगा. It means there is some opposition. यहाँ पे opposition हुई. As per the positive, there is the opposite of that. In the reverse order है ना. वहां पे आपने speed up किया, यहाँ पे आपने speed down किया. हाँ जी, अब कितने परसेंट क्लियर हुआ? हाँ जी,
Ma'am, fully done.
100. अच्छा,
Yes.
what's your name? Can you speak your name?
Ma'am, mine,
हाँ,
Naya.
नया.
Vijay.
Okay, नया. Okay, I want to listen the proper pronunciation. Okay, God bless you. हाँ जी, रिशिता.
Ma'am, this only I wanted to say that we can say it is just simple dividing the like simple mathematics. We have to just divide it.
Yes, yes, yes. Change in velocity, जितना velocity में change हुआ, final minus initial करके ऊपर लिखोगे, नीचे time लिखोगे, फिर उसको solve कर दोगे. Physics is just the simple mathematics. Fine. We call it as applied mathematics also. Math ही है physics, but we are going to actually apply in the life by using the car and the truck and the bus. Okay, chale. God bless you. Any other question till here? Please let me know. Then we are going to wind up the class. Anji, any question? Anybody? Okay, one thing at the last, again, your book link is there in the links which I'm on the Facebook. Fine. So please, whenever you get time, if anybody need help, you can go with that. My number is with you. Koi question ho, you are most welcome. You can ask and keep smiling. Take care of yourself. Bye.